So we'll start a new pattern, right? So in the previous case, what happened here, by using the small patterns, finally we have done the little bit complex big pattern, right? With the digits. Now let us try some different pattern with the stars, guys. Little bit big one. So first we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Next one, 1, 2, and then one pattern like this. Allah observe. This is not the combination of two or more. It's simple one, guys. It's a normal one. Normal because initially we done the some patterns with the stars. It is normal. Which one first five, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Okay, but here this is different now. This is different. If you observe the above star patterns and this pattern, this is a difference is there here. This is difference, right? Okay. The previous cases, first to star, 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 right? Like that. And exactly below the star, take the one more star like this. Exactly below. Exactly below, we are taking the stars in the previous case. Like this. Exactly below, taking the star. But not now. But now, not exactly below. It's in middle of the in the middle of the two stars, taking the a new line star, guys. The above line between two stars, below taking the one star. So this format, okay. First, let us try this one. Pull up in the new paint. Right, all of you observe. Right. So the same one, all of observe here. Now, when I take the I values, first I is 1 commonly, I is 2, I is 3, I is 4, and then I is 5, I is 5. Right. Okay, this is the pattern, right? So when I is 1, when I is 2, when I is 3, when I is 4, when I is 5, right? When I is 5. Okay, right. So now the I iterations over. I iterations over. Now, so here when I value 1, so star repeating 5 times. When I value 2, star repeating how many times? 4 times, then 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time. That means first time 5 times, second time one space coming, one space coming, all of you. Next one, two spaces coming here, two normal spaces coming, all of you observe. Two spaces coming. Next, three spaces coming, right? Three spaces coming here. Next, four spaces coming. All of you. How many spaces? Four spaces coming, guys. Okay, right? So this is what we do now. For spaces, we use the J iteration, J loop, and then we use here K loop. We use here K loop. Okay, all of you observe. Now, when I'll take the iterations, we'll take the iterations. When I is 1, at that time, what is the J, then what is the K. Okay, when I is 1, then J iterating uh, no times, then K iterating how many times? 5 times K iterating. How many times? 5 times. Okay, 5 times K iterating. When I value 1. When I value 2, then J iterating only one time, one space coming, right? Then K, how many times? 4 times iterating. Means 4 stars coming there. When I value 3, J iterating 2 times, and here, and K iterating how many times? 3 times. When I value 4, J iterating uh, 3 times, means 1, 2, 3. 3 times K iterating just 1, 2. 2 times star coming. When I value 5, then J iterating I mean 4 times, right? J iterating 4 times, guys, and K iterating only 1 time, like this. All of you. This is what we do. This is what we do. Let us try now. Let us try now. I'll open ideally. This is the last pattern. That is the 38. Pattern 39, right? So let's take input of enter n number of rows. Then we'll take the eval, then n equal to, right? N equal to. Now for I in range of for I in range of for I in range of this is the common n plus 1. So 5 times iterating. So I'll take the J loop for displaying displaying the spaces, right? First time no iterations. So I'll take here I plus 1. I plus 1. Why I plus 1 means when I value 1, J, how many times iterating now? So starting 1, ending 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1. So 2 before 1, all of you. So means 1 to 1 means one time iterating, right? I don't want one time also. Let's take the I. So start value 1, end value I is 1. 1 before 0, 1 to 0. So no iterations. So no iterations. When I value 2, then starting 1, ending 2, I value 2, 2 before 1. So 1 to 1 means one time iterate like this. When I value 3, okay, then so ending value 3, 3 before 2, so 1, 2 will return, means 2 times iterate. When I value 4, end value 4, 4 before 3 means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 times iterator. When I value 4, the same case 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times iterator. And each time what I want to display, I want to display the space. And equal to space again, and equal to space. And I take this one here, right? Now let us try. I am giving the 5. So here, what is happening? The space is displaying. For checking purpose, we'll take this one. I am giving the 5, right? Allow. But here, small change required. About the spaces. What is that change? We'll see later. Later understand very easily. Now, Let's go for which one next k guys. Okay, we'll go for what? We'll go for next loop k in range of. So first time k how many times it iterates 5 times. Each time display star. So 5 times means starting 1, ending 5, next to 4, next to 3, next to 2, next to 1. So I take n. If I take ending value 1, n means what? 5. 5 before 4. Only 4 times will come. I'll take now n plus 2 minus I like this. So n plus 2 means what? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 1, 5. 6, 6 before 5. So 5 times iterate, right? It iterates 5 times, guys. It iterates 5 times, okay? 5 times iterates. When I value 1, k iterates 5 times. How many times? 5 times, okay? All of you 5 times means 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times iterate. Okay, next when I value 2, when I value 2 2, okay, so n plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 before 4, so 4 times iterate. 4 times iterate. 1 2 3 4, 4 times. Okay, next when I value 3, at that time only 3 times iterates. When I value 4, only 1 time iterate. When I value 5, only, sorry, 1 time, right? So first 5 times, then 4 times, then 3 times, then 2 times, then 1 time iterating. Each time what is displaying? Star displaying, right? So print of star displaying end equal to what? End equal to empty space. Empty space, that's all. Then we take the printer. Now let's take the file. Right. Now, all of observe, we're taking the space, iPhone, right? Take the space. Yes, you can see now. All of if you observe, we got the required output with a small change. All of observe here. So, I want this requirement, which one? 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2, 1 only. But same came, first 5 came, then 4 came, then 3 came, then 2 came, and 1 came, right? 1 came. But where the change is required? Where the change is required? Because looking wise, both are different, right? This is different pattern looking wise. So the thing is, all of observe, and the second time, see, so one space, two spaces coming, right? All of you, two spaces displaying, yes or no, right? Okay, but I want to display only one space only, so that the star will move to before. The star move to before, guys. The star move to before. That means, what do? I remove the empty space. Now you can see here. That's all. All of you observe here. All of you observe. Here. So first time j value no space, right? No iterations. Second time j value 1 means one time j iterating, means that one time space not displaying here. Here actually before space, right? That one time space not displaying. Next j2 means two times space not displaying. That's why coming here. Next j3, three times space not displaying. This space, right? This space 3 times not displaying. That's why that is moving forward like that. It also like that. It also like that. All right. So okay, if you take the space, when I value 1, at that time no change, no spaces, no iteration. When I value 2, then so one space plus here space, two spaces will come, right? Two spaces will come, guys. When I value 3, then j1 j2. When I j1 two spaces, when j2 again two spaces, four spaces coming. When I value 4, then j attends 3 times, means again so when j1 two spaces, when j2 two spaces, when j3 two spaces. Okay, but if you remove this one, all of you, if you don't take this one, then so when I value 2, then only j at one time, only one space coming now. When I value 3, J 2 times iterating, only 2 spaces coming. When J1, 1 space. When J2, another space like this. Okay, the spaces decrease, guys. That's all. Now, all of you guys, please understand, right? Okay, right. Now, let's go for the new pattern, guys. We'll go for the new pattern. I'll take a pattern, suppose 40. Pattern 40 will go now. That new pattern is that is below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And again is the 1, 2, 3, 4. And again next 1, 2, 3. And again here 1, 2. And here which one 1 like this. Right? So here first 4 spaces, 1 star, 3 spaces, and 2 spaces and 1 space, right? So let's take this pattern now. When I is 1, when I is 2, when I is 3, when I is 4, then when I is 5. Right. So same thing all of observe here. This is when I is 1, when I is 2, when I is 3, when I value is 4, then I value is right. The same here. So here take just 4 spaces, guys. Just normally 4 spaces and 1 star. Next 3 spaces, 3 spaces and 2 stars. 2 spaces, 3 stars. 1 space, 4 stars. No spaces, 5 stars. Same here. I will take this one J for spaces and for stars. We'll take the K. We'll take the K here. Let's take iterations. Iterations when I value is 1. At that time, what is the J? And then what is K? Right? When I value is 1, when I value is 1, then J, how many times iterating now? 4 times iterating. J how many times? J 4 times iterating, okay? J 4 times iterating. And K, how many times iterating? Only 1 time iterating K. When I value 2, J iterating how many times now? 3 times only. And K now 2 times. When I value 3, J iterating 2 times, but K iterating 3 times, means 3 starts coming. When I value 4, J iterating only 1 time, K iterating 4 times. When I value is 5, then J iterating no times, and K iterating how many times? 5 times. That's all. This is what we'll try now. Okay, all of you guys. Hmm. So let's take now. Pattern 40 here. same input of enter n number of rows, n number of rows, evolve, then n equal to, right, for I in range of, so for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, 5 times iterating, right, and then so for j in range of, for j in range of, okay, so j 4 times should iterate 1 2, let's take the n minus I, n minus I, n means 5, 5 minus 1 4, 4 before 3, 3 times only coming, then n plus 1 minus I, so n means what, 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 1 5, so 5 before 4, 4 times correct, right, all of you. So we'll take here when I value 1, then j is what, j iterating how many times now, when I value is 1 1, n plus 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 1 5, 5 before 4, so 1 2 3 4, 4 times iterating, when j is I is 2, when I is 2, so how much now, so 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 2 4, 4 before 3, so that 1 2 3, 3 times iterate, when I value 4, sorry, when I value 3, then 1 2, 2 times, when I value 4, then 1 time, when I value 5, then no iterations, no iterations, okay. In that case, what I want to display, I want to display the space, all of you, and equal to again not here space. And now about this for k loop, how many times, first 1 time, then 2 times, 3 times, right, k in range of, range of, so let's take the 1 to 1 plus I, 1 to 1 plus I, that means, that means, so when I value 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 before 1, so that it iterates 1 time start display. When I value 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 before 2, 1 2 2 means it iterates 2 times. When I value 3, when I value 3, 1 plus 3 4, 4 before 3 means 1 2 3, 3 times iterate. When I value 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 before 4, so 4 times it iterates. When I value is 5, then automatically 5 times it iterates, right, and is not, this every time what I would display, star display, okay, display what, star, then again int equal to what, empty space, then to go to new line now we use empty print, empty print, okay, right, let's take the 5, yes. So here all of observe more number of spaces, right, so more number of spaces, so how many spaces are there, can you guess now, totally first time, when I value 1 means in first row how many spaces now, 4 times iterating, 4 times iterating j, each time are 2 spaces coming, 2 spaces, again 2 spaces, again 2 spaces, like that. And I'll try here that execution flow, I try the execution flow, just observe, right. So in this case, what is happening? When I value 1 means first row, the j how many times iterating, 4 times. 4 times means each time 2 spaces coming, like that means, so see, 1 like that. When I j value 1, 2 spaces. When j value 2, 1, 2 like that. When j value 3, again 1, 2 like this. When j value 4, again 1 2 like that. Means now what is over now, the j 4 times over, then next to k, so one time iterating, then star space displaying, star space means first time, how many spaces displaying here, 4, 4 into 2, 8 spaces coming now, 8 spaces, 8 spaces there, and the star space, totally 10, 10 over, total how many over, 10 over, right, okay, all of you. New line. Empty print means new line. Okay, new line. Next, when I value 2, J how many times now? 3 times. Means 3 into 2, 6 times space is coming. When J value 1, 2 spaces. When J value 2, 2 spaces. When J value 3 also, 2 spaces. That means, observe now. So 1, 2. When J value 1, over. When J value 2, again 1, 2, over. When J value 3, again 1, 2, like that. So over. Next J over. Coming to K. K how many times now? 2 times. Each time a star space, star space. So star space coming. That's all. That is what actually got the output. Next, new line. New print means new line. Okay, new line. When I value 3, at that time, J 2 times iterating. Means space. Okay, when J value 1, 2 spaces. When J value 2, 2 spaces. Like when J value 1, 1, 2, 2 spaces. When J value 2, 1, 2, 2 spaces. Why 2 spaces means, you can see by printing the one space and equal to another space, right? Now, when I value 3, 2 times J over. K how many times? 3 times. When K value 1, star space. When K value 2, star space. When K value 3, star space. So star space, like that. Now, K over. Just a new print time. Empty print means new line. Means I value 4. At that time, only J iterating one time. Then K 4 times. 4 times start coming. When J value only one time, so one time over, space over. And K 4 times, means star space over. Next, when I value 5, J no iterations, means no spaces. And then K 5 times, 5 times start displaying star space, like that. This is what actually getting output. This is what actually getting output. But actually, this is not the required output. So when I value 1, 4 times generating 4 into 2, 8 times space coming. 8 times space coming. But how many times required? Actually, 4 times only space required. When I value 2 and J 3 times generating 3 into 2, 6, 6 spaces coming. But required only 3 spaces only. That means we should decrease the spaces like this. Okay, so at that time, when I value 1, J iterating 4 times and only 4 spaces coming, exactly 4 spaces only. When I value 2, J 3 times iterating exactly only 3 spaces coming. When I value 3, 2 times J iterating only 2 times only space coming. Okay, now the same one, all of you, let us try now. Let us try. When I value 1, so J iterating 4 times and only 4 spaces coming. That means observe now. When I value 1, first line means J1 space, J2 space, J3 space, J4 space, J over. Then K star space. That's all over. All of you. In case of K, star space is there. Over. Next new line means I value 2. When I value 2, J 3 times means 3 spaces. 1, J1, J2, J3. Then K 2 times star space like this. Over. Next new print, empty print means new line. Go to new line. Means I3. When I3, only 2 spaces coming. 1, 2, that's all. And K 3 times iterating. K 3 times iterating. So star space. Right? Means K over. What next one? Empty printer means new line. New line. Okay. Means I value 4. When I value 4, only J one time iterating means only one space. And K how many times iterating? 4 times iterating means star space. Over. Again the empty printer, new line. The new line means I value 5, no space, no iterations, means no spaces. K iterating 5 times, so star space. That's all. All of you. Just if you delete the a single space in the J loop, then the pattern changing, guys. The pattern changing like this. All of you. Okay. So this is the a new pattern, that is the number 40, right? Now the previous pattern and current pattern will mix both, guys. Will mix both, then diamond shape will come. The previous one, current one will mix both, then diamond shape will come. That means all of observe. Let's take here pattern 41. So diamond shape means so we'll take this one first and then means 40 program plus 39 program guys. Like this. Alaf loop. So this is the which program 40. This is what 39. Mixing of both a new program. That is what like displaying the stars in the diamond shape. Alaf loop. Okay. So that one here pattern 41, right? Pattern 41 guys. Okay. So same. Let's take the input of what enter n number of rows, right? So same guys. Turn first this program, then sorry, first this program means this pattern first, and below pattern this one, right? Okay, I love you. I think just now I explained, right? I can take directly copy and paste, guys. Just to explain, right? I love you. Pattern 48 is explained. Same. Then if run this one, exactly what we get, the first half of the diamond will come. The first half of the diamond came. The second half means what here? Second half means same guys, just observe now. Second half means I like that one separately or above copy paste also no problem. So second half means which one? This program, right? This program guys. Okay. Let us try now that program. Let's take same for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. Then for j in what guys, range of so observe now this part I'm trying, right? So first this is j, this is k, spaces j and stars k, right? So first time no spaces. Okay, first time no spaces. So I take now one starting one ending I, ending what ending I guys, ending I. So okay, then I don't take the space separately, just take the only empty string over. Then for k in range of what we use. So first time 5 spaces, 4 spaces, 3 spaces, 2 spaces, 1 space, right? Starting one. So n plus 2 minus I, n plus 2 minus I. Y plus 2 means so 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 1 6, 6 before 5. So 5 starts. Next, when I value 2, all of you. When I value 2, then 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 2, 5. 5 before 4, 4 space, 4 starts coming like that. Okay. So print off display what? Display star n equal to what here? Then we'll take here print like this. Now run this one, allow you observe. Right? So if you understand all of right, when I value 1, then j how many times iterating? J iterating no times. At that time, k iterating how many times? K iterating 5 times, guys. Okay. When I value 2, j iterating 1 time means 1 space coming. Then k how many times? 4 times. 4 times start displaying, right? Okay. Next, when I value 3, 2 spaces coming, 2 times j rating, and then k means 3 times start displaying. When I value 4, then 3 spaces coming, 3 spaces coming, then 2 starts displaying. When I value 5, so 4 spaces coming, 4 times iterating, then only 1 star coming. Only 1 star coming. That's all. All of you guys. Okay. Right. This is the diamond shape pattern, right? And here we can take one more also, guys, from same numbering, from same about two patterns. We can take first I can take this one. Allow observe. right? Then second, I can take this one second part, guys, like this. All of right, okay. So for this one again, same two programs only, right? Same two programs only we use, right? So same, let me try here input of enter n number of rows, enter n number of rows, then evolve, then n equal to, right? N equal to, all of the two programs right directly without copy and pasting the above two patterns. So let us try now. So for I in range of, so starting 1 and n plus 1. So here first time what I want here, so j no spaces and 5 times star repeating, then one space 4 times star repeating, two spaces 3 times star repeating, four space 3 spaces 2 times star repeating, and the four spaces one time, right? So means first time no space before and 5 stars. Next one space, only one space, 4 stars. Next two spaces, 3 stars. Next three spaces, 2 stars. Next four spaces, 1 star, right? That means for j in range of 1 to I, 1 to I, right? 1 to I, print of what, don't take the space, directly take what here in the, then what is the k means stars, first time 4, first time 5, 4 3 2 1, that means range of, so 1 to n plus 2 minus I, then print of what displaying, start displaying end equal to like this, right? At last I'm going to print, I'm giving 5, somewhere are extra displayed, is the oh sorry, you are giving the 5, right? All of you. So I given the actual R here instead of the 5. Okay, so that's fine. And here, here all of you in this case, that debugging ways that we know already, right? That we know already. If you want one more time, so when I value 1, j, how many times repeating here? No times, no repetition, no repetition. Why no repetition? Because I don't want space, right? In the beginning, space is not required, okay? That's why. So 1 to 1, ending value 1, 1 before 0, so 1 to 0, no iterations, no iterations, and k, how many times iterating, tell me now? So n plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 1, 6, 6 before 5, so that 5 times start displaying. Okay. Next, when I value 2, j repeating how many times? One time. I value 2, right? So starting 1, ending 2, 2 before 1, starting 1, ending 1, so that only one time iterating j. What about the k here? So n plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 2, I value 2, right? So 5, 5 before 4, so 4 times the start display, 4 times start display. Next, when I value 3, starting value 1, ending value 3, 3 before 2, so that it returns 2 times it iterates. And here, all of observe. So I value 3, right? 5 plus 2, n plus 2, 7, 7 minus 3, 4, 4 before 3, so that 3 times it iterates. Next, when I value 4, then so end value 4, 4 before 3, so that 1, 2, 3 will come. Then here, how many times automatically 2 times, and when I value 5, that repeats 4 times, how many times it executes? 1 time only, like that. Next, so the first part over, guys, the first part over. In observe here, the first part over, okay, first part over. The second part, so first 4 spaces and 1 star. 3 spaces, 2 stars. 2 spaces, 3 stars. 1 space, 4 stars. No space, 5 stars. Okay. All of you. Again, same for I in range of, we use the same n plus 1. Then for j in range of first 4 spaces, right? Starting 1, n plus 1 minus I, n plus 1 minus I. Why like that means? So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So that 5 times, sorry, n plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 before 4. So 4 spaces coming, right? 4 spaces coming. Enough, right? Then 4 times, I want to display space. Only single space. That's why I don't take empty space. Directly n equal to space. Over. Then for 4 times space, then 1 star required, right? 4 times space, 1 star required. First time 1 star, the second time 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. Means I take the starting value 1, ending value I plus 1. So what I value 1, when I value 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1. So that 1 to 1 time it iterates, that 1 time printing. So what I want to print here, I want to print the star, and then end equal to what here? End equal to string like this. Then I take the print here. Let's see now. I am giving the file like this. And here, and all of you, and in this case, when I value again here 1, and then j, how many times iterating? So n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. 5 before 4, so that j iterates 4 times. J iterates 4 times, okay? 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. What about the k? What about the k here? So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 before 1. So starting 1, ending 1. So that 1 time iterate. 1 time iterate, okay? When I value 2, n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. 4 before 3. So that it iterates 1, 2, 3. J time 3 times means 3 spaces will come. Then k, how many times k here? How many times k? How many times k here? So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 before 2. So that 1, 2. So 2 times only that k iterating. Next 3. When I value 3, n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 3. 3 before 2. So that it iterates 2 times. 1 time, 2 time, 2 times. When I value 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 before 3. So that 3 times a star will display. 3 iterations. When I value 4, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 before 1. So starting 1, ending 1. So that 1 time iterate. And coming to k here. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 before 4. So that it iterates 4 times, right? 4 times. When I value 5, then so 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1. 1 before 0. So no iterates here. No iterations. Then so 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 6 before 5. So that iterates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times a star will come. That's our grades. 5 times a star will come. Right? So result is like this. It is the result. All of you, right? So these are the some of the patterns with the star. Next class we will see some more patterns. Right? Thank you all of this. Bye.